Alright, now it's time to teach you to talk. Just say what I say, okay? Polly want a cracker? I don't want no stinking cracker. Really? Well, that's better. You need more practice. You gotta keep your head on and try again. Alright, let's say, Polly want a cracker. I don't want no stinking cracker. Well, let's try it again. I'm not Polly. My name is Stuart. You've been listening to the radio again, haven't you? Oh, stop it. Stuart, what? Pet privileges. Pet privileges? Best accommodations, best food, best treats. Then you need to do tricks and say cute things.